Hey there, just a quick review on this Stanley shop vac. This is one of the best selling shop vacs on Amazon. This one is the 4 horsepower, 6-gallon model. It's a perfect size for a lot of tasks around the house, but it does have some limitations. I'll give you a quick run through and show you some of the key features and things to know before you purchase this vacuum. First off, when you purchase this, you'll get it and there's almost no assembly required. The caster wheels are the only thing that needs to be installed, and it's just a matter of sliding these plastic pieces into place and then securing those with one screw. Takes a couple of minutes and it's really easy. I feel like this vacuum comes at a great price point. However, it does have some limitations because of its size. It does come with a 1 1/4 inch hose, as compared to some larger vacuums that would have a 2-inch or larger hose. You're gonna have some limitation in regards to the size of debris that you can sweep up with this. But for tasks like cleaning out vehicles, random cleanup around the house, this is gonna be just fine. And again, the price point is gonna be a lot lower than those larger vacuums with the larger hoses. The other thing is this vacuum also does not take up very much space, and it's very easy to carry around. It's got a nice handle on top, and as you can see, it's not heavy at all. It's very simple to attach the vacuum hose here on the rear of the vacuum. Goes right on, clicks in place, and it won't come disconnected. You can also use this vacuum as a blower. All of the exhaust blows out this top here. All you have to do is plug the hose up there and you'll turn this into a blower. In terms of attachment, this vacuum comes with 5 different attachments. You get these 3 end pieces, which are ideal for a lot of different tasks. The small suction piece here is great for cleaning out your vehicle. Same with your guy here for the floor mats, stuff like that. Then you've got a larger unit here with a brush on the back to cover those larger areas. You also do get 2 extensions, so you can easily extend your hose so you don't have to bend over. And my favorite thing is that all of these pieces can be stowed on the vacuum nicely. You're not going to lose your pieces. You can put your additional accessories on these extensions, and then you also have 2 additional areas down here on the bottom where you can put those as well. So on the top of each of the casters, you've got an area where you can store your extension. All in all, with everything, that gives you plenty of places to put things to make sure that it's not lost whenever you need it. One of the unique things about this vacuum is the style of the filter. It's kind of just a bag that slides over the top here. You may have seen canister style filters on other vacuums. This is more just a bag, but it's very easy to use, very easy to slip on and clean out. And there's plenty of space on the inside here in terms of just debris and the stuff that you're gonna pick up. You may be debating what size of vacuum to get in terms of horsepower or gallons. This is a 6-gallon unit and 4 horsepower. Plenty of suction considering you just have an 1 1/4 hose. Now 6 gallons with an 1 1/4 hose, I feel like is plenty of space, and you get the advantage of not taking up a ton of space. With the vacuum, it's easier to move around, easier to store. So I think it's a very appropriate size in terms of horsepower, storage space, and hose. It's just a good ratio overall. If you're getting into those larger vacuums with a 2-inch or larger hose, that's where you want that extra capacity. But I don't really feel like anything larger than 6 gallons is needed when you're only gonna have an 1 1/4 hose. You're not gonna be picking up that much debris more than likely. Overall, this vacuum is great. It's a perfect size. It's easy to move around, and it's got great suction, easy to use filter, all the attachments I need, plus the ability to store them on board. Just a great, convenient little vacuum. Very well reviewed with a long-term reputation on Amazon as being a great tool. So I'd recommend this one to you. It's been working great for me, and I hope this video helps you make your purchase decision.